Hello guys, let's go back cooking. And this time we will cook chicken cordon bleu. And this is how I will make my own version of chicken cordon bleu. So this is my chicken. I already flattened it and also put some spices before I will roll. And now I'm putting the ham and cheese. So it depends on you guys on what brand are you using. But for me, this is what I'm using right now. So there's also a choice of chicken ham and pork ham. But for now, I'm using the pork. So I'm rolling already and then put a toothpick on it para hindi po siya ma-open. That's how I make closing the roll, guys. It depends po sa inyo kung ano yung pinaka-convenient po. But for me, I'm just using toothpick para easy lang po sa akin matanggal before frying it. So, ayan, I'm continue to roll that. And putting the cheese and then roll it again until po mahubos yung nasa laman na yung lalagyan na yan. So now, patuloy po tayong magro-roll until maubos po yung lahat ng laman dyan. I also prepared the coating after rolling, guys. And ito po pala yung lahat na naro-roll ko. So medyo madami-dami po siya. I think it's 15 pieces po nang naro-roll ko dyan. And then, we will coat that one, guys, with flour, egg, and breadcrumbs. So, ayan, isa-isahin po natin yan. As you can see, ilalagay po natin siya first sa flour para maano po siya, ma-coat po siya and dumikit po yung coating niya. And then after that, pag matapos na po lahat yung pagkukot sa talagang buong-buo po siya nakukot, let's lagay po natin siya sa egg para naman po yung breadcrumbs ay didikit din. So, hindi naman po siya medyo makapal kasi hindi ko po siya kinapalan doon sa flour. And then, after, pag ano natin sa egg, lalagay natin siya sa breadcrumbs. And that's the final coating, guys. Para hindi naman puro siya chicken. Pero, ang kinalalabasan po niyan is hindi talaga siya makapal. So, ayan. Last coating for the breadcrumbs. Yan. Yun. Okay. So, i-coat natin yan until po ma-well coated po siya. Hindi na makikita yung chicken tsaka yung ano. So, ayan. Yan na po yung final coat. Then, we will set aside muna to finish the other chicken po. So, para marirest po siya. So, lahat po siya na ano, i-coat. So, yan. That's the coated po na hindi pa na ano, na fry. So, ito na po lahat yung nakukoat ko, guys. So, ready to fry na siya. But before that, we will put it in fridge muna. Para mas, ano po siya, mas stick talaga yung, ano. So, this time, nagpa-fry na po tayo. And make sure yung toothpick na kukuha. So, mag-golden brown na po siya. So, yan po, malapit na po siyang matapos. And this is the finished product. Thanks!